Hello, greetings mga ka-sky watchers and ating mga ka-spacers out there from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And sa lahat po ng ating mga ka-sky watchers and mga ka-spacers na nakatutok po ngayon sa ating online telescope viewing of the moon worldwide and netwide. Magandang gabi po and again, Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. This is your Ka-Sky Watcher and Ka-Spacer, Sir Jun Cahigal. And welcome to our first online telescope viewing for the year 2025. Ayan, no? So we have a fairly clear sky, though the shear line, yung shear line po umiiral pa rin. Pero buti na pagbigyan po tayo, no? So we have relatively clear skies tonight. Sana nagpa-telescope viewing ako ngayon. Pero gusto kong lubusin po yung ating bakasyon ngayon. Dahil this coming Monday, January 6, pasukan na ho. Pasukan na naman ng mga estudyante, mga teachers. So, lubusin po natin ang ating bakasyon. So, today is January 4, Saturday, 2025. Ayan, and sa Lunes po January 6. So, pasukan na. So, today is January 4, it's a Saturday, 2025. And again po sa mga nakatutok po ngayon, no, Happy New Year po sa ating lahat. So you are now viewing on screen our waxing crescent moon. So the moon is 4 days old. No, 4 days old na po yung ating buwan. And the moon is about 22 to 23% illuminated. Alright, so ito yung ating waxing crescent moon. No? Pag sinabi nating waxing crescent, so waxing means that the moon's appearance is getting larger. Yung illuminated part niya ay lumalaki. Crescent because of the shape. Kasi yung shape po ng buwan ngayon ay letter C, or parang kinagat na cookie or parang bangka. Alright, so yan po yung ating moon phase or lunar phase tonight. January 4, 2025. Yan. Ito yung ating unang-unang live stream for 2025. Ayan, gusto kong umpisa ng taon ngayon dahil I want the Skywatcher Society to be at the forefront in our advocacy to share the telescope to the public. Alright, so ayan po yung ating buwan. So please comment down below. Gusto ko pong malaman ang inyong mga comments sa ating ginagawang online telescope viewing ngayon. So ano po masasabi ninyo sa buwan ngayong gabi? So isn't it fascinating? Yan. And actually nasa baba po niya at the moment is the planet Venus. Ayan, so why don't you go out? Sige po, tignan niyo po yung buwan, and there's a bright object just beneath the moon. So yung bright object na yan is Venus. Alright, so the moon is and Venus is in the western sky. Sa east naman po, you will see Jupiter. Ayan, no? Alright, so kung meron tayong time mamaya, kung hindi maulap, we'll point the telescope at Jupiter. And speaking of Jupiter, and speaking of telescope, so I am using a Vixen Super Polaris R130S reflecting telescope. Ayan, so pag sinabing reflecting telescope, the telescope uses mirrors to collect the light. So there is a large concave mirror at the back of the telescope that collects the light, and the light is reflected onto a secondary flat mirror near the top of the telescope Then that flat mirror reflects the image onto the eyepiece na nasa side. So ito yung tinatawag niya Newtonian reflecting telescope. Alright, so please comment down below. I would like to hear from you. Gusto kong mag-comment kayo. Mag-react naman po kayo kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging tonight. So again, sa mga katututok lang po sa ating live stream, we are now viewing on screen our waxing crescent moon. So the moon is about 4 days old. And 4 days old na po yung buwan. And the moon is about 22% illuminated. So waxing crescent moon po tayo. Alright. Yung New Year, new moon po, and yung December 31, yung New Year's Eve hanggang January 1, new moon po tayo. And yung new moon na yan, to end 2024, that's the second new moon for December. Ayan, so yun ang tinatawag na black new moon. Pag sinabing black new moon, you have 2 new moons in a month. Ang opposite niyan is blue moon, di ba? Ang blue moon is you have 2 full moons in a month. Pag dalawang new moons in a month, that's a new black moon. Alright. So ito yung ating ginagawang online telescope viewing. This is our first online telescope viewing for the year 2025. Ayan. So shout out po sa lahat ng mga nakatutok po ngayon. Sana nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. At sana po ay naging memorable, fruitful ang inyong Christmas vacation. Yan yung mga reunions ng bagong taon. Yan. And I'm sure marami pa nag-reunion dahil we are still in that vacation mode. Yan, no? So sa Lunes, January 6, pasukan na. So lubusin na po natin ngayon, no, ang ating Christmas break. Ayan. So again, we are viewing our waxing crescent moon tonight. So, January 4, sa Saturday, siguro mga 6:30, past 6:30 na po ng gabi. And again, I am using a Vixen Super Polaris R130S reflecting telescope. And please mag-comment naman po kayo. Shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood po ngayon, kung saan man kayong panig ng mundo. Ayan, so shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Shoutout po sa aking mga volunteers from the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Yan, and it has been a great year 2024 for us, and we pray na mas maganda pa ang aming 2025 with more opportunities to share our passion for astronomy and to share the telescope to the public. Yan, shout out din po sa mga kasama ko sa San Beda. Ayan. Okay, so shout out sa inyo. Sana nakatutok kayo ngayon. Alright. So please comment down below. And in a few minutes, imamagnify natin po yung image ng buwan para makakuha tayo ng more details of the lunar surface. Okay, ayan. So please mag-comment po kayo kung anong masasabi niyo po sa ating lunar imaging tonight. Nagulat ako, walang ulap. Grabe. Alright, and itong January, meron tayong tinatawag na marami nagsasabi sa social media na planetary alignment. So, ang masasabi ko lang po dyan is by mid-January, all the planets would be, not really all, but most of the planets can be seen at a glance. Ayan po. Kasi ang movement po ng planeta in the night sky, they follow po a certain path or line called an ecliptic no? So yung movement ng sun, yung buwan, and the planets, parang ano yan, no? Parang nakalinya po sila doon sa path na yan called an ecliptic. So yun ang ibig pong sabihin yan, yung ayokong sabihin na planetary alignment pero yun yung mga planets, most of them can be seen at a glance in that area or path called the ecliptic. Yun lang yung ibig sabihin po nun. Alright? Okay, ayokong tawagin na planetary alignment kasi baka magkamali po ako So, yun lang po yun. Most of the planets. Ba't ko sinabing most of the planets? Kasi ang makikita lang po natin in the naked eye would be Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars. Yan po. Yung Uranus and Neptune, you need a very powerful telescope para makita sila. Yan. And kung gusto nyong makita in detail yung mga planets like Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars, you need a pretty good telescope like itong ginagamit ko ngayon. So itong mga planets na ito, Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, and Mars can be seen in that line, yung path na yan called an ecliptic in the night sky. So pag tingalaan ninyo, makikita nyo at a glance yung mga visible planets na yan. So yun ang ibig sabihin po nun. So yun ang mga nakikita nyo sa social media. Right? So sana napaliwanag ko po ng maayos yun, no? And I don't want to call it planetary alignment kasi hindi naman talaga ewan ko lang, no? So basta yun lang ibig sabihin yan. So most of them, yung mga visible planets like Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars can be seen at a glance in that path called an ecliptic. Yun lang yun. Alright, so I guess we can now magnify the image of the moon. So here we go. Ayan, no? So kahit na waxing crescent, we can see lots of craters, mga cratered areas of the moon. So meron na rin tayo nakikita mga dark patches. So those dark patches are lunar plains. Yan, mga patag yan ng buwan. They're made from solidified pools of ancient basaltic lava. So ang tawag dyan ay mares or Marias. The word mare or Maria comes from the Latin word which means seas or dagat. Kasi yung mga unang astronomers, yung mga unang sailors, they thought na yung mga dark areas na yan were bodies of water. Kaya pinangalan niya na mare, which means seas. Like the Sea of Tranquility, kung saan naglanding yung Apollo 11. And yung mga bright areas na nakikita natin are lunar highlands and impact craters. Alright, so please comment down below. Mag-comment kayo mga ka-sky watchers and mga ka-spacers natin kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging. So you are viewing on screen our waxing crescent moon. The moon is 4 days old and the moon is about 22.5% illuminated. Alright, fascinating indeed. At ang ginagamit ko pong telescope, the telescope that I'm using is a Vixen Super Polaris R130S reflecting telescope. Ang ganda na pagka letter C ng buwan, or para siyang kinagat na cookie. Ayan po, so namnamin po ninyo ang ganda ng ating waxing crescent moon tonight. Alright, so Happy New Year po sa lahat ng mga nakatutok po ngayon sa ating online telescope viewing, ating live stream ngayong gabing to. Again, today is January 4, 2025. Happy New Year po sa ating lahat. Yan, and gusto ko din pong i-plug yung aming mga events po for January. Ayan, so we will have a free public telescope viewing po at Robinsons sa Thursday, okay, next week. And sana maganda na po yung panahon at mabawasan yung shear line. Then we also have free public telescope viewing events at Vista Mall, Dasmariñas. We also have a free public telescope viewing at the terminal sa Alabang, yung dating Star Mall. So ginawang terminal po yun ng mga buses. Yan. So magkakaroon din po kami ng free public telescope viewing event doon. And meron din po kami sa Alabang West Parade sa Friday. Yan. So next Friday po. Next week. Okay, so anyway, sa mga schedules namin for free public telescope viewings, just check our Facebook page sa mga details po niyan, yung mga dates sa aming Facebook page, The Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Alright, so ayan po. Siguro ibalik na natin yung image natin sa kanyang original size. Okay. Alright, so there you have it mga ka-skywatchers and mga ka-spacers. So that's our waxing crescent moon. So the moon is 4 days old and the moon is 22.5% illuminated. Alright. Okay, so siguro hanggang dito na lang muna tayo sa ating online telescope viewing. And again, nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng mga nakatutok po ngayon. Kahit nag-iisa lang po kayo kasi wala naman masyadong nanonood sa akin. Pero kung nanonood po kayo, marami pong salamat and please like and share this online telescope viewing, no, para makarating sa maraming tao. No, lalong-lalo na po yung mga estudyante para ma-inspire naman po sila to love the sciences, lalong-lalo na po ang astronomy. Alright, and don't forget also to follow us on our Facebook page, The Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Yan, meron din po akong YouTube channel, The Science Guy Professor June Cahigal. Please subscribe and click on that notification bell para updated po kayo sa aming mga future videos. Alright, so I guess hanggang dito na lang po tayo. Sige po, namnamin po ninyo ang ganda ng ating waxing crescent moon tonight. This is your ka-skywatcher and ka-spacer, Sir June Cahigal, saying live long and prosper, and always remember to always keep your space and always keep looking up. Sige po, so long and Happy New Year po sa inyong lahat. Happy New Year. This is our way of welcoming 2025. Alright.